Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be looking at the learning goal. I can relate the value of pennies, dimes, and quarters to the dollar. So this coin here is what? Did you say a penny? You got it. Good job, friend. Okay, so do you remember what the penny is worth? Yes, it is worth 1 cent. So if I was going to count pennies, and I had 3 pennies here, I would count them as what? Go ahead and count that to yourself. Did you say 1, 2, 3? Great job. 3 cents. We would count our pennies by ones because they're worth 1 cent. Let's try another coin. This is called did you say dime? You got it. This is a dime, and a dime is worth, say it to yourself, 10 cents. So if I wanted to count dimes, and I had 3 dimes, I would count them by, you're right, tens, because they're worth 10 cents each. So you've got 10, 20, 30. Did you get 30 cents? Great job. All right, so let's check out another coin. This coin is called it's a big one. You're right, it's called the quarter. Do you remember how much a quarter is worth? You're right, 25 cents. So if I wanted to count quarters, I would count them by how much? Yes, 25. So if I had 2 quarters, I would count them and say 25, 50. Because 25 and 25 is 50. Great job. So this is $1. And did you know that you can make a dollar with coins? You can. You can make $1 with 100 cents. So today we're going to look at how we can make a dollar with pennies, dimes, and quarters. Okay, so here's our penny. If I wanted to make a dollar out of pennies, I have to think a dollar is worth 100 cents. So if I wanted to make a dollar out of pennies, how many pennies do you think I would need? Take a guess. I think maybe we would need 100. Did you say 100? That's a lot of pennies. But remember, pennies are worth 1 cent. So I need 100 cents to make a dollar. So that means I need 100 pennies to equal that dollar. Great job. What about the other coins? How about the dime? Do you remember how much the dime was worth? That's right, 10 cents. And a dollar is worth 100 cents. So how many of these dimes would I have to get together to make up 100 cents? Let's think about that for a minute. $1 equals, did you say 10 dimes? I have to agree with you. Let's count it and check. So remember, dimes are worth 10 cents. So we're going to count them by tens. So let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 cents. You did it. So 10 dimes makes 100 cents, which equals $1. You're doing a great job. Let's look at the quarter. So the quarter is a $quarter, so it's 25 cents. So how many quarters do you think we would need to make $1? Did you say 4? I agree. 4 quarters makes a dollar. You've got 25, 50, 75, 100. 100 cents, which makes a dollar. So our learning goal today was I can relate the value of pennies, dimes, and quarters to the dollar. And friend, you did a great job. So you're going to get an exit ticket from your teacher, and you're going to show me what you learned about making $1. You're going to be able to draw to show me how many pennies, dimes, and quarters make $1. Good luck, friend!